Torque like a pro with Wiha's insulated screwdriver set. Tired of guessing torque settings? Let's check out a tool that could change the way you work. The Wiha 28792 is a 16-piece insulated torque control driver and slimline blade set. It's designed for precision and safety, especially for electrical work. This set includes various slimline blades and an adjustable torque handle. The torque range is 2070 lb, ensuring accurate tightening. It's also 1000 V, rated for safety. With a 4.3-star rating, many users praise its ease of use and quality. Some have noted issues with durability, so keep that in mind. If you need precise torque control and electrical safety, this Wiha set is a solid choice. Check it out on Amazon for the latest price and availability. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Click the link to see the Wiha 28792 on Amazon and make an informed decision today.